This is about an hour in, blocking in the leather, the darker brown for part of the staff, and then, there we go, the silver for part of the metallic parts, and then the darker blonde for the start of her hair. Also did, let me see if I can get it, some parts for the fur up here, and I've decided the feathers / fur on the edges of the bracers, and whoops, on the boots, which don't really want to get into focus. So the bracers and the boots have this leather / feathers, feathers / fur, and those are going to be that same light gray, almost like a polar bear coat of fur. Oh, there's some feathers I forgot back there. Yeah, so we're just blocking in color still at this point. I do really like how the cloak takes the blue that I gave it before. It does so much of the work for me, that night blue from Vallejo, that highlighting parts of the cloak are really going to be so much easier, and then just doing the threads or the stitching, I have to figure out what I want that to be. But yeah, that's where we've got so far. Maybe 3-4 more sessions, and this one will be done. Something like that. And then I also have, this will be kind of hard to see, this, there we go. This almost full unit of shamblers. I have one shambler that's not in this group that I just got handed the other day. And they are all zenithal highlighted with a heavy white dry brush on top of it. And I am going to be airbrushing this kind of a blue, but I'm going to be diluting it to be a light blue, to give them like a light blue ghostly appearance. So that'll be interesting to see how that comes out. I'm going to probably test it on some popsicle sticks beforehand, maybe mix it or dilute it quite a bit. I'm not quite sure what the mix is going to be yet. That's why I've got to experiment. But that's where we're at so far. Tanith and a bunch of shamblers.